This is a guided meditation for beginners, adults, and children. Hi, guys, and welcome to part 3 of my morning routine. If you haven't watched part 1 or part 2 yet, then please go and watch them first and then come back and watch this video. This is what I do every morning in order to start my day in the correct way. So if you've made the decision to learn how to meditate, then I just want to say congratulations, because learning how to raise your vibration and quiet your mind is probably one of the best gifts you could give yourself in this lifetime. So this is just going to be a quick 10-minute basic guided stillness meditation for absolute beginners. Children or adults who have never meditated before, you can practice this as many times as you need to, or as many times a day as you need to, until you feel comfortable enough to take it to the next level. Let's go. So before we get into the actual meditation itself, I just want you to do some simple stretching of your body. This is just to loosen up your muscles and loosen up your bones, so it makes it easier for you to relax and makes your body less tense, making it easier for old energy to exit and for new energy to come in. Now you're going to find a comfortable place to sit down. You can sit on a chair, you can sit on your bed, or you can sit on the floor. Feet up, feet down, or legs crossed, it's up to you. As long as you're feeling comfortable, you're sitting in an upwards position and your back is straight, then that's all that matters. You can place your hands anywhere on your lap or put your arms on your legs like shown in the video, but all that matters is that you're sitting comfortably and that your palms are facing upwards. And the music that I've used is to help you with your breathing and to help you stay focused on your breathing. So for every inhale, you're going to hear an upbeat, and for every exhale, you're going to hear a downbeat. I've also added some breathing noises as well, just so you can use it as a guide. You're going to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, and every time you breathe out, you're going to relax every single bone in your body, from your head all the way down to your toes. So now close your eyes and relax. It's time to meditate. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe out and relax every bone in your body. Breathe in. Breathe out. So that's it. The meditation's over now. You can open your eyes, you can stand up, you can stretch, you can stay seated. It's up to you. I highly recommend that you try and do this every day and stay consistent with it. The more you do it and the longer you do it, the more you will notice a change within yourself and within your life.